Hi, if you want to know how to clean up your hard disk drive on Windows 11, then follow these steps. To do this, launch File Explorer and click on My PC. Select the hard disk you want to clean up. Click on these three dots at the left side of your Windows. A drop menu will appear, then you will choose Properties. On the Local Disk Properties windows, you will see Disk Cleanup. Click on the cleanup, then you select the file you want to delete. When selecting the files you want to delete, make sure you don't include any important file. Go ahead and click OK. Click Delete Files and wait for a while, depending on the size of your files. Disk cleanup is completed.